Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to decrease order quantity on a Tradovate. So if I come at the top right, we can go ahead and buy this. I'll go ahead and buy this one as a bid just to show you here at GTC. So if I buy a quantity of, let's say 10, come here, click on buy bid, you should see it here under orders that we have a buy action of quantity 10 set up. And the order type is limit. And what you want to do to actually decrease this order quantity, you just right click on that order. As you can see, it's not here under positions yet. Just go to right click on that order and then you click here on modify order, and we'll go ahead and reduce the quantity. Let's make this one 5, for example, and then we'll click here on modify. Now if I come back here, the quantity is now 5. That is how to decrease order quantity on Tradovate. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.